Well, James, what do you think of the book? Give me your honest opinion.
Well, Forgetful, I'm not sure it's really a book yet, right?
Well, how come?
Well, take a look at Linda's book. See, her book has a title, and has words inside.
Oh, I see.
Now, your book, Forgetful, has a title, but no words inside, Forgetful. There's nothing in there.
Well, you got a point there. Got a point. Yeah.
Bob's the name, right? You see, Forgetful, if your book is about what I remember, then the words inside your book should say what you remember.
No, and I guess it ain't a book after all.
Well,
'cause I can't remember anything to write down.
Well, wait a minute, Forgetful. Hold on, Forgetful. Don't cry. Now, maybe we can help you remember.
Oh, would you?
Sure.
Would you?
Yeah.
Oh.
I tell you what. Let's start with something easy. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now let's start with what did you eat for breakfast?
What did I eat for breakfast? Oh, well, that's easy for you, maybe.
Yeah, come on, try, Forgetful. Come on, for the book, Forgetful.
Okay, for the book.
Right, try it now. Come on, think hard.
Breakfast. That's what you have in the morning, right?
Right.
Okay, well, I remember sitting at a table.
Good. Huh? Remember what you're eating?
My hat!
Your hat. Hat?
Well, no, that was on my head.
Oh. How about grapefruit? Grapefruit?
Maybe.
Bacon and eggs?
Maybe.
Juice?
Maybe.
I got it, milk.
Maybe.
Toast?
Maybe.
Pancakes?
Yes.
Yeah?
No. Maybe.
Maybe?
Oh, Reginald, I just can't remember which of them things I had. But wait, there is one thing I do remember.
He remembers.
And I'm gonna write it down pronto before I forget.
He's good remembering. He's
right.
writing down, he's remembering, he's writing in his book.
That's right.
That's fantastic.
Yes.
Writing in his book.
Yes, good. There you go. Read it and weep.
Terrific.
Thank you.
Wonderful. He wrote a book. Forgetful wrote a book. What I Remember by Forgetful Jones. Good. Hey, that's great. I ate breakfast. Good, Forgetful.
The end.
Well, it's short, but it's a book.
You can say that again. Oh, I wrote a book. Woo-wee.
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters O and S, and by the number 9. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop.
Adios.